Y'all, wait, let me fix this. Can I tell you guys how obsessed I am with Lizzo's new song? You don't know what I'm talking about? I'm about to do my skincare because I got like period pimples. Y'all know what period pimples are? The pimples you get before your period comes. That's what I got going on right now. So I'm supposed to get my period on Saturday, and I always get like little dots on me. So I catch her early. I be like, look, let me get you before you get me, okay? So I'm not gonna lie, I've been using Versed. It's a resurfacing mask. I do like it because it's quick and easy, and it's just quick and easy for me, okay? Because you know how some masks, they have to take like 10 minutes before you can wash it off. You wash this off in like 2 minutes. Am I right? 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. And then I have my my lash oil because it's time to take these lashes off. But the point of this video is to show you guys the evolution of self-care, right? Because a lot of the times we're like, I know for me, I'm speaking for me. I know for me, I was like in the past, like, listen, I'm gonna always go get my nails done. I'm gonna always go get my lashes done. But when I started doing it myself, I was like, yo, I'm saving so much money by doing it myself, okay? As we continue, you're gonna see the evolution of me doing my nails myself. And it was looking crazy the first time to the end where we on point now, we T, okay? These lashes have been on for like 5 days. As you can see, some of it came out, but I wouldn't change this for the world, okay? So me doing my lashes on my own has saved me $260 a month, okay? A month. And then me doing my own nails, only my fingernails, because let me tell you something, your girl is still gonna go get her toes done. That's one thing I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up getting my toes done. It's just not happening. So typically when I get my nails done, it's like $80, right? And I always like designs on my nails. I get designs on my nails every finger, every single finger. And the total usually comes out to like at least like 110, 120 just for my nails. Just for my fingernails. Okay? So now we're gonna backtrack. Me saving money by doing my own lashes, right? Saves me $260 a month by me doing my own lashes. Just my lashes alone, okay? Just my lashes alone. Now, Dana, what the hell are you talking about? Okay, so let me enlighten you. So, I typically had a membership from Amazing Lash Studio, and their membership was $129 a month, right? Now, when you do your fill-ins cost you $45 every 2 weeks to get it filled in. When you get it filled in, if you want to get out of there quickly, you have to pay a master stylist. A master stylist is $45. Okay? So, yeah. Now, when you're going to get your lashes done, if it is a new set, it does take you about 2 hours for a new set, right? If you're doing a fill-in, If you're doing a fill-in, your fill-in costs you maybe about like an hour to do your fill-in, right? When I do my lashes on my own, my lashes, it takes me about 30 to 35 minutes to do my lashes. So we're already saving an hour and a half of time. That's number one. Number two, $260 a month I'm saving. When I buy my lash kit is $13 on Amazon. How much money am I saving? I'm gonna put it here. Okay. Now, to do my nails, like I said before, it's like $110, $120. Then you gotta tip the person that's doing your nails, right? How much are press-ons on Amazon? $8. When you go to the nail salon, how long does it take for you to get your nails done? Mind you, you gotta sit there and wait, then go and get it done, and it takes like another hour and change, hour and 20 minutes for them to do the designs, do the acrylic, put on the nail, the whole thing, right? So, when I sit here and I do my nails at home, press-ons, it literally costs me 30 minutes of my time to press on the nails. To remove the press-ons, it takes me 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I'm going to show you guys the evolution of learning that I could take my press-ons off way quicker than what I was doing before, because remember, I had to learn, right? So the point of this video is do everything you can to save money. Life is too expensive out here, especially when you got to pay mortgage, you got to pay car note, you got to pay car insurance. Why? Y'all want to see what my nails look like right now? This is the evolution. These are press-ons. Full-blown press-ons. This is my thumb. These are press-ons. Would you ever believe that these are press-ons? When I tell people these are press-ons, they're like, you lying. Dana, how much was your press-ons? $8 off of Amazon. If I had like an emergency event to go to and it was very last minute, and let's say I had to take my press-ons off and, you know, emergency event, then yes, I gotta go to the beauty supply store and get a pack of press-ons. Those pack of press-ons are more expensive. They're like $15, $16, okay? But you get it for half off on Amazon, $8, okay? So plan ahead. So I realized I needed to have like a stack of press-ons in my possession. So if there is an emergency event that I need to go to, like I have a stack. I'm not ill prepared, okay? But y'all save your money. Don't be out here trying to impress Tom, Dick, and Harry. You done up, but you broke. It's just, the math ain't nothing, okay? It ain't, okay? These are press-ons. I'm going to put the link down below for all the press-ons that I get off of Amazon. Nobody ever believes me. People just think that I have all this money. No. No, okay? So, watch the evolution of being horrible at press-ons, being horrible at taking them off, to, well, my next video, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to pop off your press-ons and how easy it is to put it on, like literally. So if you think about it, you save almost 3 hours, because you have to include like your driving time to get to the nail salon and to the lash tech when you're doing everything at home. So you're saving 3 hours, and you're saving almost $300 to $400. You understand? So the next video, I'm gonna do another video where I actually show you guys how easy and quick it is to like remove these. But what's coming up right now is the evolution of me learning. Never, ever, ever be afraid to learn. Never, never be afraid to learn, because the thing that you're running from learning will actually save you a ton of money, a ton, okay? So Bitch, it's Lizzo. Call me Lizzie. I've been fat and I've been skinny. Bitches still ain't fucking with me. Ah! OBGYN appointment because we take care of vaginas over here, okay? I'm gonna do another video where I talk more about that, but for now, I wanted to show you guys some of my lashes that I did last night. Okay. Now, y'all can go watch the rest of the video. Hey guys. Now, but okay, so this is me starting out doing my lashes, right? What I have on my face right now, these are literally old lashes that I left in because you know it's not good to pull out old lashes. You have to literally let them fall out, right? So after I took off the other lashes, these were the lashes that were left over. These were the lashes from Amazing Lash Studio, by the way, just keeping you informed, right? So, you know when you go get your lashes done by other people, you cannot pull them out. You literally have to let them fall out, or you have to put on the oil. I put the oil on and everything, got most of the lashes off. However, I had to go out. So I couldn't go outside looking like a spring chicken. So I had to fill it in by learning to do the rest of my lashes, okay? So this is what it looks like. And listen, this was like my first time doing lashes. And I was like, listen, I'm not going to go outside looking crazy. If you are determined, you are going to make yourself look presentable no matter what. If you don't care, you're just going to go out there looking like a crazy person. People are going to talk about you, but then you cannot get mad when people start talking about you because you went outside looking like a crazy person. So this is me just doing my lashes. This was the first time I was doing my lashes ever by myself, doing clusters, not knowing what the hell I'm doing, but also not being afraid to learn, okay? So this is just me doing my lashes, y'all. Now I'm about to show you guys what it looked like completely after I was done, after I did the bond, after I did the seal and everything. Y'all see how I look like a spring chicken right now trying to get them in and everything? This is how it looks after I was done on my first try. Mind you, I'm going to show you guys soon. Please hold. Mind you, this video is a very late video, and like it just took me forever to learn how to do my lashes. Right now, I've been doing my lashes for almost 3 months on my own. And let me tell you, lashes be looking tea, okay? So now I'm going to show you what this looked like after I did it for the first time on my own. Here it is. Okay, y'all. So y'all see how scary it looks on my first try? But don't you ever give up. I did not give up. I kept going because I was like, I need to learn how to do this. So now we're going to go into my nails. So as you guys already know, I talked about press-ons. I was watching everything from other people trying to figure out how to do it. The current nails that I had on in this video with the multicolors, that was done at the actual nail salon. And these are the press-ons that I had bought. After you learn how to do your press-ons, you can kind of tell which kinds of press-ons are actually really good for you and which are too cheap to even put on your nails. So this is me like filing it down, trying to get the gel off of my nails from the nail salon. This is me covering up with the acetone pads to try to make it melt. It did melt a little bit, but now we finally got it off. It took me like 2 hours to get my nails off, and this was the final result. Like I said, everything is a learning process. These nails were cheap as hell and they look cheap. But this was the process of me starting over 2 weeks later, trying to get it off my nails, trying to find quicker ways to get the press-ons off of my nails. I was like picking at them because you know, like the acetone literally melts the nails. But look at the evolution of today. Look how simple and sexy and elegant that looks. And then this is my nails today. Bye. I love you guys.